Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 4130e or 4100 series. What I want to do is to show you how to scan document with this printer to your mobile phone. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via a Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct. We connected both via a Wi-Fi network, and this is the Wi-Fi button, and the light is steady blue light. And from the app, this is HP Smart App. If you scroll down, you will see the features. We want to scan document, so scroll down and select scan. Then the next thing to do is open the scanner and put the document you want to scan face down. Then close the cover. Then you go on top and select the size of the paper. Is currently custom. You can select A4 later or 4x6, but it's currently in custom. So if you want A4, you can select A4, for example, then go back and source glass scanner. If you are scanning with automatic document feeder, you select document feeder. It's currently in glass scanner. Resolution 300 dpi is the maximum, and we want to scan this in color. Then you go back, then select scan. Then select full to make sure you capture the whole document. If you want to scan the next page, then you select next. It will crop and enhance the document. If you want to scan the next page, open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan the next document. Face down. This is A4. If you change your mind, if you are not happy with the document, you select the three dots for you to edit it, replace, or delete. But I'm happy with it, so I'm going to cancel it. To scan the next page, we just select add. So you can rotate this document and also text extra. So select add to scan the next document. Then A4, then you select scan. Then select full to make sure you capture the whole document. Then select next. It's going to crop and enhance the document. These are the documents we scanned. This document, if you want to save it to your mobile phone, select save. Then give the document name and also select image as basic PDF. You can select the language and the document size as A4. You can give the document name, for example, so you can write the name for you to remember the document. Then select save. Then it will take you to your file. You select save and it will show you your file has been saved. Then you select close. Then if you want to print this document out, you select print preview. Then scroll down, select number of copies. The size of the paper is A4. Want to print all. We want to print color option as color. Private pickup is off. Orientation automatic. Select more. Make sure it's in document. If you are printing photo or scanning photo, then you select photo. Quality automatic. You can also select best, normal, or draft. It's currently in automatic. Fill page. Then you go back. Then select print. So these are documents we scanned, printed it out. If you want to share this document with somebody, then you select share, like sharing it via email, etc. So select share. Once you select share, you type the document name and also select basic PDF, and the size. The actual size is 1.0 MB. So you can reduce the size to 0.6 MB or small, 0.3 MB. We want it in medium, 0.6 MB. And document is A4. The file name is saved. Then you select share. And when you select share, it will give you platforms. You can share it via email, Outlook, WhatsApp, or print it out. It will give you all the platforms you can select to share the document. And once you select the email, for example, the document will be attached to your inbox. So the document is attached to my inbox. You can put the subject. Once you put the email address of the person, then you select this arrow, send arrow, to send the job. So once you put the email address, put the subject, then you select send. The file is now sent to my email. I also want to show you how to scan with ADF. So take the document you want to scan. So these are multiple page documents, 4 pages. So stick the document, make sure the document face up on the ADF. And also make sure there's no document on the glass scanner. So the document we want to scan on the ADF. Then the next thing to do is you need to go on the top and select source as document feeder. Then go back. Size of the paper is automatic. Source as document feeder, resolution 300 dp and color. Then you go back. Then select document, make sure it's in document. If you are scanning photo, then you select photo. So it's in document, then select scan. So you can see it's dropping the documents, 4 pages, scanning completed. So these are the documents we scanned, 4-page documents. You can see 4 of those. So the same procedure, if you are not happy with any particular one, you can delete any particular one you want. If you want to print it out, you select print. Just like we did earlier, you select print and you print out the document. So we scanned 4-page documents using ADF. So this is how to scan document with this printer, save it, print it out. Likewise, save it, share this document, and also scan with ADF and glass scanner. Thank you very much indeed.